LA is facing its worst wildfire in its history, and Mayor Karen Bass is facing some criticism tonight from a lot of different fronts. Earlier this year, she approved a budget-cutting $17.5 million from the fire department while increasing police funding by $12.6 million. Fire department now gets 6% of the city's budget compared to 15% for police. Critics, including former mayoral candidate Rick Caruso, questioning her leadership, especially since she was in Ghana for a presidential event, inauguration in Ghana, when the fires broke out.
The way they are moving, the unpredictability of how they're moving, the swiftness with how they're moving, you are not going to outrun these fires. If you stay, you're going to die in them, and it's not worth it. So if you're told to evacuate, get the hell out. Save yourselves.
We're still going through it, and to any of you and all of you that have experienced the loss, the grief, the anger, the just utter shock, I've seen the devastation. It is unbelievable the amount of loss that people have experienced.
I mean, what's funny about that?
Is this woman out of her fucking mind? What's going on here? She on the drugs? She on the pipe? On the crack pipe? But when she first got back from Africa, there was some British journalist out there who was putting the questions to her, and she had no answers whatsoever. She wasn't smiling then.
Do you owe citizens an apology for being absent while their homes were burning? Do you regret cutting the fire department budget by millions of dollars, madam? Mayor, have you nothing to say today? Have you absolutely nothing to say to the citizens today?
What is the situation with the water? Obviously, in the Palisades ran out last night in the hydrants. I was talking to the firefighter in this block. They left because there was no water in the hydrant here.
The local folks are trying to figure that out. Reservoirs are completely full. The state reservoirs here in Southern California. That mis and disinformation, I don't think advantages or aids any of us.
We saw an apartment building engulfed in flames. I saw the fire engine pull up this afternoon, a fire captain have one of his firefighters attach a hose to a hydrant, and that hose didn't fill up, Alex. And I asked the captain, out of every 10 hydrants you attach to today, on average, how many are you getting full water from? He says little to none. And it was at that point that really the whole crew stopped, looked up at this apartment building, and they realized there was nothing they could do.
Is she strong enough to do this? Or you couldn't carry my husband out of a fire. Which my response is, he got himself in the wrong place if I have to carry him out of a fire.
Empty your mind.